Hi guys, this is Sadir from Dwarven.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to fix the unzip error or the install failed issue while flashing the Shamiko module via Magis. So as you could see, you might either get an unzip error or installation failed issue while you are flashing the latest version of Shamiko via the Magisk. So why is this happening, and more importantly, how you could rectify this issue? Well, to fix this issue, you will have to take two approaches. First off, keep in mind that Shamiko always requires the canary build of the Magisk. If you're using a stable or the beta version, then you might not be able to flash Shamiko using Magisk. So always be on the canary build of Magisk. And secondly, from now onwards, Shamiko follows a new format, which is the exif format, and the Magisk stable or the beta build will not be able to flash the exif format. And for that, you will have to use the canary build for now. In the next few release of Magisk, the ability to flash exif format will be added in the stable build as well. But as of now, the exif format is only there in the Magisk canary. So that is the reason why we will have to use the Magisk canary build to flash the Shamiko, and only then the issue will be rectified. So as of now, let me show you. If I am currently on the latest Magisk stable build, and if I try to flash the modules of Shamiko, let me show you. This is the Shamiko module. It should be somewhat here. This is the module. If I try to flash it, as you could see, unzip error. So you might either get the unzip error or the installation failed issue. So if that is happening with you as well, then all you have to do is simply update the Magisk to the latest canary build. And in this video, I'll show you how to do just that. To be on the safer side, please take a backup of all the data on your phone. And once that is done, your first course of action is to download the latest Magisk canary build from the official GitHub page. Do not download from any other page. So this is the latest Magisk build. Let me show you. First, go to the home page of Magisk, and from here click on the Magisk canary build, and you are now inside the canary version. So download the app release. The debugging is not required. Simply get hold of the app release APK file. Once you have got the APK file, transfer the file onto your phone, and now what you have to do is simply install the app. So let's launch the file manager app, and after that, let me access the APK file on my phone. This is the latest Magisk canary build known as apprelease.apk. You will now get an update prompt. So tap on update, and the Magisk table will now be updated to the Magisk canary. Now tap on open, and as you could see, you will now get an update option in the Magisk. So tap on update, then select direct install recommended, and tap on let's go, and Magisk will now update to the canary build. Finally, tap on reboot. So initially the version was shown as 27.0, and now you will see a version something like this. I'll show you once my phone restart. The Magisk version will have been changed to the canary build, and once that is done, you will then no longer face any issue while flashing the Shamiko app. So let's wait for a few more seconds for the phone to boot to the OS, and after that we will then flash the module and check out the result as well. So now that we are inside the OS, let's give it a few more seconds. So now launch the Magisk app, and as you could see, the version has been changed. It's now the latest 8E82113B of the latest Magisk canary build, and this is the app version 27007. As you could see, 27007 is the app version, and this is the latest Magisk canary. Earlier I had 27.0 in the Magisk as well, but now it has been replaced by the Magisk canary build. And now that we are inside the canary build, we could now easily flash the Shamiko module. So let me show you that. So go to install. Go to modules, and now tap on install from storage, and now choose the Shamiko module and tap on OK. And as you could see, the Shamiko module has now been flashed onto our phone. You may tap on reboot, and your phone will now reboot to the OS, and this time around the Shamiko module will now be up and running. So guys, to fix this issue, all you have to do is keep two things in mind. First and foremost, you will have to be on the canary build of Magisk, and secondly, you will have to be on the latest canary build. This is because as of now, Magisk, the Shamiko requires the now have the exif format, and the exif format is only supported on the Magisk canary. The Magisk stable and the Magisk beta build will not be able to flash the exif zip format. So update to the canary build, and then you'll be able to flash the Magisk Shamiko app without any issue. As you could see, we now have the Shamiko app, and as you might be aware, you also have to enable Zydisk next, and only after that you will be able to use the Shamiko module. So you may enable Zydisk and do a restart as well. So at the time of writing, the XZ zip format is only supported on the Canary build, but in the near future the XZ zip format will also be supported in the Magisk stable and the beta build. So at that point in time you may revert back to the Magisk stable or the beta build, because the Canary versions might have a few issues or bugs as well. So to be on the safer side, in the near future, once Magisk supports the XZip format, you may go back to the stable and the beta build of Magisk as well. But as of now, please stay on the Canary build, and then you will be able to use the Shamiko module without any issue as such. So as you could see, the Shamiko module is up and running on our phone. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.